You like it?
That's fucking sick, dude.
Oh, it matches your shirt. Oh, you got the same shirt on. All right.
Everybody wants to know what's going on with the mint green interior drop head. We finally figured out the color scheme. We're going to be wrapping the exterior in a purple chrome. So it's going to be very wild. Mint green interior, purple chrome exterior. The customer wants the ultimate, so we're giving him the ultimate.
Kind of little technique.
Nice.
Sir, can I get a picture? Oh my god.
This is crazy.
That's 2 Rolls Royce.
Out of fucking control, man.
Take it in.
Take a selfie. What you got, man? What you got?
I got M&M's.
Just give us some M&M's, bro. One M&M, it's cool. You keep the rest. Yeah, that's cool.
All right.
Thank
Good
you.
looking, man.
Appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
Got a good one, bro. Got me M&M from me.
Hey, he's some real dude.
Phantom Drophead. This car we've worked on a lot, but this one is by far the craziest one we've done. I really like Patrick for this. He's my client. He loves to do this crazy stuff. It's a really crazy looking car. We wanted to go crazy on it. We ended up wrapping it purple chrome, which is pretty unique. Nobody's really done purple chrome often. The interior was custom done in a mint green. We ended up thinking, what should we do with the hood and the pillars? They were black brushed before, but we ended up actually matching the interior with the wrap. When we wrap any of these Rolls Royces, we take everything apart. The front grille, the big massive front grille with all the slits, we actually take all those pieces apart and we wrap them individually and put them back. We like wrapping these grills because number one, wraps don't really chip easily. Number two, powder coat doesn't get that ultra smooth finish. And then when you paint anything on the front of these vehicles, they chip real fast. So we take everything apart, we wrap it right, we put it back, and it ends up looking like factory.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder. And it's killing me. I cannot let you go.
This one is an insurance claim. The adjuster's here writing up the estimate. It's a 2018 S63. Molding goes over here, so I don't think the molding's gonna fit, so the bumper definitely needs to be replaced. The sensor's damaged. We have the bottom of the bumper damaged as well, and also this molding on the bottom. We will replace this bumper and replace the sensor and also the moldings as well, probably all around to make it even.
Show great customer service on that fucking video, this guy.
What do you want me to?
I'm going back to the gym.
Oh yeah. All he does is work out.
317, baby. I don't even know what it's about, but we here. Gone.
What are you doing in this car?
We just finished up the wrap. We fixed the suspension. We did a few mechanical things. Now we're doing a full audio system upgrade. These models did not really have a good system, so we're adding an amp, adding a sub, changing all the door speakers, just making it sound real clean now.
Go into the light, leave behind the night. Eyes can barely see, I barely breathe before it's over. Hellhounds on my trail, stay.
488 Liberty Walk Spider, brand new car, has about 60 miles. It's here for an XPEL Clear Bra paint protection film. Every exotic car needs this. It's crucial to keep the front end at least, intact. We recommend doing the whole car, but at least the front end when you get it. So you got an exotic, you gotta come here, get the Clear Bra.
Remember when I said count to 10? This is not the end. Once again, it's just beginning.
Becoming quickly addicted to this channel. The song with the XXM, can't find it. Bank vault worth of cars. I want to be like Vic when I grow up. Me too.
It looks crazy, over the top, but that's the point, it's the customer's choice. We took this car out on Rodeo Drive. Oh, fucking A. Let's go.
Nice. All right.
Now it's complete. We're ready to go.
We're going in a black Phantom to shoot a purple chrome Phantom.
It got more looks than anything we've taken out there, from the loudest Aventadors to other crazy chrome colors. This thing demands attention. That mint green interior, the convertible, it just all goes together. It's got big 24-inch chrome wheels. I mean, this is as crazy as it gets, but why not?
Lazy ass.
Driver, drive.
Talking about blue skies, talking about sunshine, driving with the top down.
You think that neighbor would like a ride now in this car?
Really always get stopped at this light.
It's his luck.
No flowers and bees, talking about you and me. I was working boys and waiting tables.
Hey dude, get out of the street before I get you guys and call the cops now.
Then along, out of the blue, came someone both strong and able. Knocked me off my feet, swept my heart.
Thank you, thank you.
I've seen that shit all day on YouTube.
You like the car? You like the car?
I love the car, but also the channel is sick too.
Appreciate it.
This video will be Monday.
Monday?
Doing a video right now, yeah.
Shout out RDB, what's up?
Later,
Alright, bro.
It all just rearranges. Try to see it coming.
Come on, team. You don't know how to fucking read.
Roast you all the same. Talking about the day.
Fuck yeah.
What do you think of the car, man?
Huh?
What do you think of the car?
This thing is fucking dope, man.
Here, what's good? Snappy Chatty.
Talking about blue skies, about sunshine.
It's really wild, but I think it's beautiful. If you see it in person, you've seen nothing like this before. So hopefully you get to see it in person. On to the next one.